Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanika. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Today this video is going to be about my purse that I purchased for my birthday. I hope I'm saying the name right. It's a brahmin bag. A co-worker of mine had this bag, and I have been wanting it for over a year and a half, so I finally was able to purchase it. So it's a birthday gift, an early birthday gift, because today is October the 23rd. My birthday is November the 3rd, so I'm very happy with it. I went into the store so I could see it for myself and try it on, and I just loved it. Like, I had to get it. It was between the black one or this color called ink, which I got the one that's called ink. It looks black, but in the light you can kind of see the blue a little bit. But anyway, let's just get into it. This is the bag. That it came in. What's the receipt? This purse was originally $2.95. With tax it was like $3.27, but they had like a 20% off, which, and if you donate $85 to breast cancer, with the 20% it knocked off a lot. So $3.27, and then it went down to $2.64, so it knocked off a pretty good amount. So I actually got a little deal that I wasn't expecting, because the purse is really $2.95 plus tax. So also it's like a barcode or something that you have to go online and register. You get a year warranty with this bag for anything that happens to it. They'll fix anything that goes wrong with it, but if you register it, you get a 2-year warranty, and they'll fix anything that goes wrong with it, a zipper or anything like that. I also didn't get the leather cleaner, which she said I didn't need right now, but after I have it after a while, I'll need it to keep the leather condition up and the shine and all of that. So it's like $16, but I'll purchase it at a later date. It just has a bunch of tissue paper, and it's in a dust bag. I haven't opened it. I did take the little plastic straps off here. I know she said it's a little card on the inside. It also has these little things, because it has a bigger strap on the inside. If you want to wear it on your shoulder or crossbody, you can hook them to the ends. And this gold zipper in the back. It has a little pocket, and it says brahmin. This is the bag. I got the large one because the smaller one was like, well, I mean, it costs us $10 more to get the larger one, so I just figured I may as well get the larger one. I've always liked big purses, but I've been into smaller purses just because my son is 2. He's really active, so I haven't been wanting to carry them right now. But she is gorgeous. I feel like this lighting is not doing justice for it, but yeah. So we unzip it, and it looks like this. It smells really new. It smells so new. It has tissue paper. more tissue paper. This is the strap that I said goes, like, you know, if you want to carry it like that. More tissue paper. They really stuff this bag. And these little things that they always have in purses, but oh, and it has these, I guess, like to keep the shape. They have them on the side. It's really spacious in here. See, these little things to, I guess, help keep the shape, but I'll take that out once I start using it. It has 2 pockets, 2 pen holders, and a big zipper part. I just noticed when I just showed you all, it has a clip like the Louis Vuitton bags, which would be my next bags that I need to get. The Neverfull and the Speedy 35. I want the Neverfull GM and the Speedy 35. It has like a little clip in here that you can put your keys on. I think that's so cool. It's suede, like it feels suede. See, 2 pockets, 2 pockets. And then you have the big pocket. See what's in it. I had to go ahead and do this haul because I really want to wear my purse like now. I think you have to register the card or something, like it has a serial number or something. She was explaining to me. I'll have to figure it out, but I don't know. That was in the zipper pocket. Brahmin registration card. Yeah, that's what it says. I don't know. Oh, I guess you just, you know, do the back of it, put the number in it. It's called the large Duxbury in ink Melbourne color, like MELBOURNE, and it just said thank you for choosing a Brahmin. Your bag will become softer and even more comfortable as you wear it. It's because it's made from the finest handcrafted materials. And it's basically just telling you how to register it for the 2-year warranty, and that they'll repair it. Excuse my nails, I haven't got them filled in. I'm not gonna do it till my birthday. I know y'all tired of talking about my birthday. Well, y'all tired of me talking about my birthday, but it's my birthday, and I'm a Scorpio, and what? Yeah, so you can't open it. It's just, it feels like you can. It's a thick card. Let me put that back in there. It also has a little black envelope that says Brahmin. Let's see, can I get this? And it has a little book that says Brahmin, and it's just tells you how to care for the purse. And let me just put all this stuff back in here. I'm not gonna wear it yet, but I probably will wear it. I don't know, maybe sometime this week. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah. Because tomorrow is my husband's birthday, Drake. He's a Scorpio too. I think I put everything in the strap. Like I said, it comes with the strap. I may carry it just so I could carry it on my arm. Like I said, my son can be kind of busy, so it's like one of those purses where you wear it like that, or you carry it like this. But I like it like this. It's a really good quality purse. It's definitely worth the money. It's an investment. Because I was thinking, like, years ago, I was just like, I keep spending this money on little bags here and there, $20, $50, and I'm just like, when I keep doing it every couple of months, I've been and bought a bag like this like 2 times over. So let me just put it back until I get ready to wear it. And it's dust bag. And the lady told me to keep it in a dust bag when I'm not wearing it to protect it and keep it in good condition. You just squeeze it. You can tie it if you want. I think it's necessary, but and a receipt. I'll put the receipt in a bag. And this cute little white bag, white and black bag. And that's it. I think I said this was a what's in my bag, but it's not. It's a unboxing, I guess, of my birthday bag, the brahmin bag. So thank you all for watching my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Please share my videos and leave me positive feedback, positive comments, and let me know what you all want to see. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.